I'm Doctor of Dental Surgery and Specialist in Orthodontic at Parla Clinic. I'm going to give you some information about dental implants today. Dental implants are surgical screws placing in jawbone where they stay as the roots of missing teeth, and this screw made from titanium implants. Those are replace missing or damaged teeth that function and look much like real ones. However, dental implant surgery is performed depends on the type of implant, and it depends situation of the patient's jawbone. Before the surgical procedure, we need a full evaluation of the patient's case that have couple of stages. The first stage is comprehensive dental exam, which includes 2 or 3D X-ray scans and several images of the patient. The second stage is reviewing the patient's medical history, which we ask the patient if they have chronic disease and if they are taking medications which can affect the procedure, such as heart conditions or orthopedic implants. In that kind of cases, usually we prescribe antibiotics to help prevent infections. After discussion with other prosthodontists about the remaining teeth and which teeth we should replace and how many implants we are going to place. After we decide treatment plan, we're gonna start the surgery. During the surgery, the patient doesn't feel any pain at all. To ease the pain, we use variety of anesthesia that can be local anesthesia, general anesthesia, after discusses it with the patient to find the best option for them. After the surgery, we need to wait a couple of months for the healing process and the bone to fuse around the dental implant that we call osteointegration. Also, we will wait for the growth of the new bone in the jaw around the implant. After the healing time, we start to take impressions and make the static crowns on the implants. After completing all the treatment process, we give advices to patients about their new teeth, which is very important for the future. In the end, I want to thank you and I wish all our patients a big and healthy smile. See you soon in Istanbul.